This exercise neuro activates you beyond the fighter. If you think about fight from our stress personalities, what we want to do is get into the visionary leader who inspires your team with vision, or inspires your family, or inspires yourself. Inspiration can come from a place of calm excitement. So, in order to get out of fight mode, we almost have to go into it to get out of it. I'm going to take you through some grounding exercises for the fighter. One of our exercises is called Speed Boxer. And when you're doing Speed Boxer, you're imagining that little boxing bag in front of you and you're just punching it. Make sure not to punch yourself in the face. After we go into Speed Boxer, round over your core and gently press into your navel center. So your hands are palm over palm and you're pressing and expelling and letting go of all of that toxic energy, the adrenaline overdrive that gets built up in our system. So we'll ground and regulate. Then we'll build and release with Speed Boxer and then core compress. Make sure when you're core compressing, I fall all the way forwards, but you could also place your hands on your thighs if your spine has any issues. You want to make sure to protect your spine. So just a gentle pressure, or we will do navel pump to release. This is going to be fun. Engage in the process. Close your eyes. Take a deep, cleansing, conscious breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, letting go of that fight. We're transmuting it into a higher vibrational capacity to inspire you. Say to yourself, I'm ready to let go of the fighter. Fighter creates defensiveness. We want to let down the guard and open ourselves up. Take another deep breath in and let go of that defensive energy, needing to defend your territory, control, or micromanage. Long, deep breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And now we'll ground. On the next breath, take a deep breath in, hold the breath, press your feet into the floor like you're about to stand up, and then breathe out, 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 releasing. Breathe in and hold, press your feet into the floor. Breathe out, 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 out. Breathe in, hold. Press your hands and your feet. Hands into thighs, feet into floor. Press a little bit more. Press a little bit more. Exceed the force of your first pressure. Breathe out, 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 out. Rock your boat from side to side, from one side to the other. Breathe in, breathe out. Lateral release of the spinal cord, of the muscles and connective tissue, of the tension of fight, moving into the visionary, inspirational leader. Come back to center. Let's do it again. This time we'll alternate feet side to side, right to left. Breathe in and hold. Press and release right. Press and release left. Press and release right. Press and release left. Breathe out, core compress, hands on your abdomen, slowly round. If you missed that, we'll do it again. Take a deep breath in and hold. Press and release right. Press and release left. Right, left, right, left. Core compress, out, out, out. Back to center. Take a deep breath in and hold. Press and release right. Press and release left, right, left, right, left. One more, left. Core compress out, out, out. Folding over your hands slowly and then rolling yourself back up. Connect breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Rock your feet from heel to toe. See if you can mobilize your ankles, releasing tension. Can you bring this subtly into your pelvis, rocking forward and back on your sits bones? Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Take it at your own pace. If you have very stiff ankles or calves or knees, you're rocking the deep connective tissue, getting out of fighter mode and into regulated stance. Come back to center, vagal nerve breath. 3 sniffs in through the nose, vigorously, calm, fog the window on the way out. Ready, set, go. Breathe in, hold. Breathe out, 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 fogging the window. Breathe in, hold. Breathe out, 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 out. Breathe in, hold. Breathe out, 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 out. Return to connect breath. It's time to go in to fighter and out the other side. Now that you're regulated, your body will be able to find it. We're going to start with dice roll, a bicep curl. So your elbows are bent, you're holding 2 dice in your hands, and just start to shake the dice, shake the dice, shake the dice. Go into reset, repattern breath, in and out through the mouth like you're blowing on a whistle. Can you integrate this? If not, no worries, your brain's just not there yet. Go into connect breath, in through your nose and out through your mouth, or stay with reset breath. Start to go a little bit faster, faster. You're shaking the dice faster, 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 faster. How fast can you go? Reset breath. Roll the dice, shake off your hands, wiggle your tailbone, make some sound if you feel comfortable. Come back to center. Feel the vibrational shift. Now we'll take that dice roll sensation into speed boxer. Put that little bag in front of your mind. Bring up your fists. It's a small little rhythmic movement. See if you can integrate into this. If not, just go slower. Punch right, punch left, punch right, punch left, just like we do with the foot press, or speed it up, faster, 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 tighter, stronger, shoulders relaxed, face is relaxed, chin is slightly tucked. Breathing connect breath with some fog the window energy. Go into the aggression, the frustration, the anger. Is it coming up through your breath, through the vibration? Transmute it. Now, deep breath in and hold, keep punching. Press your feet into the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, keep punching. Breathe in, hold. 5, 4, press your feet into the floor. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, keep punching. Breathe in, hold. We're almost there. Press your feet into the floor. 5, faces relaxed. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake off your hands. Shake off your feet. Your body will thank you. And just gently roll your pelvis back. Roll your spine forwards. Roll back. Roll forwards. Release the tension. Release all of that stuck energy, activating it to a new level. Now you could close out here, although I'd like to close us with the 8-part activation breath because that was a highly activated nervous system exercise. So if you're still with me, you can continue. If you need to turn off the video, return to this later. 8 sniffs in through the nose, all one continual breath. 8 counts out through your nose or mouth, stair stepping down. Ready, set, go. Breathe in, 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 in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe in, in, in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Here's a challenge. Plug your right nostril, left nostril only. Breathe in, in, in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Right nostril, plug left. Breathe in, in, in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Both nostrils. Breathe in, 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 in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Breathe out, 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 out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Return to your connect breath. Your breath is probably breathing you now, working on you, energizing you. Walls are down, energy's on, fighter has been disengaged. You are activating a new pattern of leading. Place your hands palm over palm on your chest and say, I feel. Beyond the fighter, I feel. Fill in the blank. It's really important. And then clap it in 3 claps to end this session. Come back at your own pace and enjoy.